MindMeister is a popular tool in the productivity and time management space. But before you pull the trigger, there are 12 things you need to know. This software offers a robust mind mapping experience, but when compared to competitors like XMind, Coggle, and Miro, is it the best choice for your needs? Let's dive in and find out. First, MindMeister offers an intuitive, easy to use interface. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced mind mapper, you'll find the drag and drop functionality simple and effective. This makes it ideal for quick brainstorming sessions. But when compared to something like Miro, you might feel a bit limited in terms of collaborative tools. Next thing, MindMeister's cloud-based platform ensures that your maps are available across all devices, which means you can start on your desktop and continue on your mobile. However, it doesn't have the offline capabilities of some competitors, which could be a deal breaker if you need to work without internet access. The third thing is its integration with MeisterTask, a project management tool. This is a great feature if you want to go beyond just mapping ideas and start turning them into actionable tasks. But if you're using a different project management tool, like Trello, you might find this integration lacking in flexibility. The fourth thing to consider is the collaboration features. MindMeister does allow real-time collaboration, which is useful if you're working in a team. However, it's not as seamless or feature-rich as what you get with competitors like Miro, which offers more advanced team collaboration features like sticky notes and voting. Now, let's talk templates. MindMeister has a wide selection of templates to get you started quickly, whether it's for brainstorming, planning, or decision-making. But compared to XMind, the variety is a little limited. XMind's templates are more customizable, which could be an important feature if you want more flexibility. The sixth thing to know is the pricing structure. MindMeister offers a free plan, but it's limited to 3 mind maps. The paid plans unlock more features like unlimited maps and advanced export options. But if you're considering alternatives like Coggle, you'll find that they have a similar pricing structure but offer more flexibility in their free plans. The seventh thing is how it handles large maps. MindMeister can handle large, complex maps well, but it tends to get a little slow as your maps grow, especially if you're working with detailed content. Miro, in comparison, is better optimized for larger, more intricate projects. The eighth thing to know is about task management. MindMeister does allow you to link tasks to nodes, but this feature isn't as robust as it is in tools like XMind or Coggle, where you can directly integrate with your to-do lists and manage tasks more effectively from within the software. The ninth thing is security. MindMeister takes your data privacy seriously with SSL encryption for all your maps. But if you're working with sensitive information, you might want to compare it with other services like Miro or XMind, which also provide enterprise-grade security, but might offer additional layers of protection. The 10th thing is mobile access. MindMeister has a solid mobile app that allows you to edit and view your mind maps on the go. It's not as feature-packed as the desktop version, but it gets the job done. If you rely heavily on your mobile device, though, you might find that Miro's mobile app offers more customization options. Next, let's talk about exporting options. MindMeister allows you to export your maps in various formats like PDF, PNG, and even as a Microsoft PowerPoint file. But if you're working with complex content, you might find that competitors like XMind offer more advanced export options, including mind map formats that preserve your map structure. The 12th thing is customer support. MindMeister offers responsive customer service by email, but there's no phone support available. If you're someone who needs quick answers, services like Miro, which offer 24/7 live chat support, might be more appealing. Overall, MindMeister is a strong option for mind mapping and basic project management. However, if you're looking for something with more advanced features, better offline capabilities, or more flexible integrations, it might not be the best fit. That being said, if you want a better option, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.